How to use Uber Eats subscription savings. Uber Eats subscription savings are activated automatically through the Uber One program. So to enroll to this membership program, you simply have to open your desired browser onto your device. Then tap on that search bar, then type in Uber One. You should be able to find their official site over here. Simply tap on this, then tap on this try it now option. Once you sign into your account, you should be able to find a lot of options or subscription plans over here. Select your desired one. From here, add in your payment method, then tap on this try for free option, and you should be able to subscribe to their plans. Once you've subscribed, all you have to do is open the Uber Eats application itself, then proceed to order items from any of your desired restaurants or stores. All you have to do is tap items to your cart or add items to your cart, then head to the checkout option where you will find your automated free delivery option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.